One day, you open Facebook, and it reminds you to wish happy birthday to someone who passed away years ago. Welcome to the digital afterlife. Your memories, your messages, even your photos don't just vanish when you do. But here's the question: who owns it? You? Your family? Or the tech giants who hold the keys? Families fight for access. Companies lock accounts. Laws struggle to keep up. And now, AI can even resurrect voices and faces, raising the question: are we honoring memories or replacing people? Our digital lives outlast us. But until rules change, the afterlife belongs to whoever controls the password. What do you want to happen to your digital legacy?